guys, my name is Steve. This is Hambo Investments. Welcome back. It's been a while since I've been on. I want to do a quick video. If you if you're new to my channel, I mainly do different investments that I'm in. From Fundrise to M1 Finance to just different entrepreneurial things, different investments. Today, I'm going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to talk about trading options. Scalping options. So hopefully you enjoy. I had a good day. As I get into these videos, hopefully I can record the screen, the stocks as I purchase them. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoy. Let's get into it. So this is the charts that I'm watching for the day. So the SPY gapping up. And these are I'm mainly looking for Tesla to trade, but there's different things that I'm looking at depending on the value with the options, as we'll get more into as I talk about. But the overall market's gapping up. So Tesla is, gapping up a little bit. So based on the pre-market down here, just from visually looking at it, I'm going, if it can get above 580, I want to trade it to 585. Because 585 is pretty much the pre-market high, close to it. And it's kind of in a range from 580 to 585. So I'm thinking that's a good scalp opportunity if it presents itself. So let's get into the trade, and I'll go over my other accounts. So yeah, what I use for my charts is TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, and then to trade I use interactive brokers. So Tesla, it had a quick open and range breakout, and it was right at that level that I wanted to buy in. So I anticipated the breakout, and I bought in about 579, and it got a quick move. But I took profits off right away, so I only took one. I only bought into two options, and I sold one right as it got the quick move and held the other one, and it went up immediately after that. It was a very good trade. So basically 2 minutes into the day, and I'm done. I'm not gonna, trade anything else. I'm not gonna give away give away any of the profits. I had a couple other great chances. If I was trading it, here's VWAP. I don't really trade off the VWAP that much, but I just want to see if it's holding VWAP. That'll make my decision. But the 9 EMA, I tried to trade on them. So here it had a pop, and then it consolidated right to the 9 EMA. And then once it hit it, it bounced again. So, do a quick flag right there. As soon as it breaks through, that would have been another great opportunity to trade. Again, it did it again. Right through there would have been another great opportunity to trade. And you're holding the 9 EMA kind of as your stop loss, or when you want to bail out of a trade if it goes against you. Because my strategy is to scalp and get it again. But I've noticed, the first part of the day, you might have a couple opportunities. But I mean, depending on how strong the stock is, here it kind of consolidated again, but you see it didn't really go up. I mean, here it did again. So, but you don't really have a good flag pattern there. It's kind of consolidating sideways, where here you have some quick downturns. So, I mean, if you're going to try to do a trend here, you don't really have it as strong as here. I mean, you're kind of doing that a little bit, but it's just not as strong. So if you did get into this one, you're bailing out of it pretty quick, or you're going to take a loss. And you can do a sideways trend here, and then if it breaks and holds 9 EMA, you have a good opportunity there. But that's just kind of my philosophy as I'm trading. So I'm not an expert trader. I'm just kind of seeing what works for me in doing it. So let's move my face down and just show you the execution. So you can see I bought the Tesla 580 calls, and I bought 2 contracts at 583. I sold one immediately on the pop, just to protect myself, and then I sold the other one right after that at 854. And let's go in, and if you notice down here, I kind of call my my account Steady Eddie, because I used to trade kind of wild and I'd hold my losers a lot. So I kind of did this to remind myself, hey, just steady, take the scalp, take the profits when you can. And it seems to be working a lot better. So the portfolio, as you can see, $291 for the day for only doing 2 contracts. I think that is pretty amazing. So hopefully you enjoy this content. If you do, I'll do more of it, and like I said, I'll get into actually recording the trades as they happen. And I'm gonna introduce this to my channel. Like I said, if you guys like it, and I'll try to introduce some of the other things that I'm into. You know, the different investments I have, and show you how those are doing. My, you know, for those of you that are coming for some of my past videos, just a quick update. My Roth IRA account through M1 Finance is roughly at 37,000. I think my last video I did, it was roughly 19,000, so it's doing well. It's mainly heavily dividend based, but the dividend income just gets reinvested into it in a Roth account, so I'm not getting taxed on it. So when I take that money out, it'll be completely tax-free. So that is a big benefit. My Fundrise account has changed quite a bit. I did withdraw a lot of the main account. I still have the IPO in there, but I withdrew a fair amount of that. So I'll try to do updates on that as well. But other than that, thanks guys, and see you again.